So you can make this, you can make it like this, or you can still do the curved one, but for my own, I think I'm going to be maintaining this my scallop asymmetric neckline because I'll be needing it. So you can go ahead to style your own whichever way you deem it fits. So this is for the asymmetric neckline. This is for it. This is asymmetric. You can see it's called asymmetric neckline because it's moved asymmetrically. That's it went one side. So this is it for asymmetric neck. The next neckline on our list is a mono strip. Now for this mono strip, you're going to be marking out your neck width and your normal round neck of 4 inches, neck depth of 4 inches. Then you're going to connect it like the way I taught you to do it, very easy, so that if you're using a free hand, you can be able to know how to. But if you have a curve rule, fine, to help you. So like this, then you come in from this part, you connect. This is your round neck. So after getting your round neck like this, you're going to be cutting off this part. And also you're going to flip it open just like the asymmetric neck, and you're going to replicate what you did here over here. You're going to be doing what you did here over here, which is from this midpoint I marked 3 inches, and from here our neck depth of 4 inches. So then I'll still connect it to form my round neck. You can see it, my round neck is formed. Now on this asymmetric neckline, you have to determine where you want your slope, where you want your mono. This is a mono strap neckline. Sorry, it's not an asymmetric neck. A mono strap neckline. That's one has shoulder and one is an off shoulder. One has shoulder and one is an off shoulder. That's what it means. So you're going to be determining if it is here that will be off shoulder or if it is here. So for the sake of this class, I'll be making use of this part. This part will be my off shoulder. So I'll be marking the depth of, I'll be measuring the depth of my off. If I want it to be normal, not showing my cleavage or anything, I'll be taking about 6 inches is okay. On this part, 6 inches is okay. So I will have to connect it to meet with this 6 inches from this neck, like so, to meet with this 6 inches. So I'll be cutting off these parts. I know that we must have seen necklines like this. So this is how it is done. So this side is off and this is our neckline. So here will be an off shoulder and here will be with a shoulder. I hope it's very, very understandable. This is a mono strap neckline. Okay, so that is it for that, and we are going to be going on to the fourth neckline. We are progressing. The fourth neckline, which is a Queen Anne's neckline. So we are going to be doing our normal shoulder and so you're going to be marking your normal shoulder measurement, shoulder slope, and neck armhole depth. So the next thing, this Queen Anne's neckline has a similar look of a sweetheart, but with little alterations. So I've marked out my neck width, normal neck width, and I've marked out the the interval, that's the mid depth of the neck, which is 4 inches. On the sweetheart neckline I made about 5 inches, so I'm going to be marking the total depth of this neckline. Let's use 6. Okay, let's use 6 since I used 4 here. So now this is what we do. Since my neck width is 3.5 in this class, in this particular one my neck width is 3.5, so this is the biceps line. I'm going to be extending it to that 3.5. I will extend it to this 3.5 line for better understanding. So this is it, and this is where I will connect my sweetheart. Let me just connect the sweetheart. So this is that. So over here we are going to be coming in at this point. We are going to be coming in by 1/2 inch here. So this is where the alteration comes in as a Queen Anne's neck, and we are going to connect from here to here. Can you see it? This is just the difference. This is just the difference. As you can see it, it becomes wider over here, and you can see it. Okay, can you see? This is a Queen Anne's neck. This is how it goes. Then comes in. So this neck is called a Queen Anne's neck. So there's this other pattern also that we can also do a little bit of alteration on it. Let me show you that one. You make sure your neck width will not be too deep. Maybe we'll be using 3 instead of 3.5.